In this video, we'll review our new tag resize utility added to vDesign. It's available up on the ribbon. It's this tag here with the AA on it. The purpose of this is to resize within the tag family itself, the text, and possibly a filled region to better suit a specific view scale. So most of our tags are available to resize with the view scale. So if I were to change this 3/16 equals 1 foot here to something like 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, I can do that, and those tags will resize perfectly fine. But if there's a certain view scale that you're trying to use, like maybe 1/8 inch equals a foot, they might look a little bit too big for you. So you can go into the command up at the top, change tag text size, and then pretty quickly change the base text size within them. So the first thing you do is you pick the tag that you want to change. So we're going to change this VL line tag that we're looking at. We can choose the size of text that we would like. So maybe we want to try 3/64, and then we can also try to resize the filled region. So if I hit update here, we can see that the base of that tag will change. If I want to play around with some different character widths that I think will fit better, I can make it really wide, for example, or I can make it a bit smaller, so maybe 4 is the right region character width for me to fit these in. So this gives you some different capabilities to go and try to resize different things. If I were to go look at the fab lengths view here, we have some length and diameter tags. We can resize these in a similar manner. So we'll resize the VL pipe tag, and we'll drop them also down to 3/64 inch, and we'll see they'll resize. But you can also go the other way. You can make them bigger if you wanted to. So here they are at 1/8 inch base text size. So that introduces the new tag resizing capability in vDesign, whose purpose is to just better fit the tag family sizing to whatever you're trying to actually represent on the drawing.